Uh, Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson with the Unza Graduate. In today's lesson, we are going to look at the inequation question which came in 2020 for mathematics paper 2. We are doing this just for revision of the coming exams. So, this was a question that came. So this was a question that came. According to a question, it was saying, solve the inequation 1 minus 3x greater than or equal to 2 minus 8x over 3. So what you need to understand, guys, is that when you are solving an equation, the same principles that you use to solve for equation are the same principle that you use here. So here you can just say, if you want, you can maintain this sign, or you can just put a equal to at the end of the equation. You can bring back the greater than or equal to sign. You can just say 1 minus 3x is equals to 2 minus 8x over 3. That's the symbol you're going to put it at last when you're concluding. So now what you need to understand, when you're finding equation, the other one, when it's just a normal equation, the other one, if it is a fraction, the thing that you must always do is that you must always put them into fraction. Both of them must be in a fraction form, so that you cross multiply, so that it becomes in a normal equation. So you're going to say this one multiplied by this one multiplied by this one. So it will be 3 multiplied by 1 minus 3x. Then you say equals. It will be 1 multiplied by this, like this. Then you multiply. When you say 3 times the 1, it will be 3. 3 minus 9. 3 minus negative 3x, it will be negative 9x equals. Then you say 1 times 2, it will be 2. 1 times negative 8x, it will be negative 8x. So now what you need to do, you collect the like terms together. What it means those values of x, they'll go to the same side, and those numbers that are not having x, they will go to the same side. So here there is that means you are going to get this negative 8x, take it to the other side. It will become negative 8x. If it jumps the equal sign to become positive 8x, there will be minus 9x equals. This 3 is positive. When it jumps the other side, it becomes negative. So it will be 2 minus negative 3. This is 8x minus 9x is going to give you negative x. It is just the same as 8 minus 9. It will give you negative 1. So negative 1 is negative 1. When you're talking about variables, negative x is the same as negative 1x. So now we are going to say negative x is equals to this one again, 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 is going to give you again negative 1. So now here, because there is a negative here, so here that's why you have to put your sign. If x was not having a negative in front, the sign could have remained the same, greater than or equal to. Now because in front of the x there is a negative, that means the sign is going to change. It's going to be less than or equal to. So every time a number, for example, it can be or 2, negative 2x, as long as in front of a x, the number which is in front of x, it has got a negative sign. That means the sign is going to change. If it is greater than, it will become less than. If it is less than, it becomes greater than. So this sign has to change. So that means you're going to divide. For us to remove this negative in front, you're going to divide both sides by negative 1, negative 1. So we're going to say negative 1 divided by negative x. That means this one and this one will cancel. When you divide the number of negative by negative, it becomes positive. So 1 into x, it will be just x. Then when you say negative 1 divided by negative 1, it will just give you 1. So the answer here is it will be x is less than or equal to 1. So I'll give you an exercise to test your perfection in the exam now. So don't forget to send the answers below in the comment below. You must tell me the value here of x. You have to solve. So the exercise is saying solve the inequation 5 open bracket open bracket x minus 2 close bracket greater than or equal to 3 minus 2x. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Your support will be appreciated. And thank you for watching my video. You must always remember that the Unza Graduate is where learning never stops. See you in the next video, guys.